Hey YouTube, just wanted to share a quick story. This happened to me and my wife about 15 years ago. There was one payday where my wife and I were running around picking up little things here and there, Slurpee, cigarettes, some McDonald's, candy bar over here. There were about 8 items that totaled approximately 30 bucks. There was an issue with my paycheck, and what ended up happening was my credit union charged me an overdraft fee of $25 per item. I was furious. I was angry. I was livid. I was pissed. I couldn't believe, because of a simple mistake, that I was now out $200. I tried fighting it so hard. I wanted to talk to the manager, this and that, but to no avail. I was talking to one of my coworkers at my second job who used to work at a bank. I was complaining to him, telling him, man, my credit union earns $25 million a year in overdraft fees. And he told me he used to work for Wells Fargo, and the branch that he worked at earned that much a year in overdraft fees. And I was like, man, this is freaking ridiculous. Long story short, after talking with several people, I came across a guy who suggested opening a line of credit on my checking account. And I asked him, because I'd never heard of that before, I said, what does that do? And he said, well, instead of the bank charging you an overdraft fee every time you dip into the red, they basically loan you a little bit of money, and then when you get your affairs in order, you just pay that back plus interest. Now let me say, this solution isn't for everyone. This is just what has worked out for my wife and myself. When things get a little hectic and we lose track of where our balance is and we dip into the red, the credit union will transfer over $100 to cover our bills and our charges and whatnot, and then we transfer back that $100 right away, and the interest, which literally ends up being pennies. Literally. And I mean literally. Like I said, this solution is not going to be for everyone. This is geared towards people who have a good grip on their finances, but every once in a while life gets in the way, and instead of paying crazy amounts of overdraft fees, you could open up a line of credit and pay a minimal amount when things get away from you. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps out. If you're interested and have questions, make sure you talk to your financial advisor at your bank or your credit union and find out if this is going to work for you. Or if you have other suggestions that might help out, leave it in the comments below.